Welcome to week 13, English 101 students. This week is actually pretty simple. You have only one thing that really you need to pay attention to, and that's on Tuesday, the instructions for your final presentation. Your final presentation will basically be your essay in 3 to 5 minutes, okay? Um, Make sure that you emphasize the solution to your problem, the steps you want to implement to your problem. Also, you can consider discussing the research you did, what you learned from the experience of writing the final paper, anything that you might want to improve on it. So stuff like that. The directions are pretty clear. 3 minutes is basically what I'm looking for. Make sure when you give your presentation, you use the policy phrase should, must, need, could, would, or ought when you give your thesis statement. Okay, that's extremely important. That's really what I'm looking for. All right, so you introduce the problem, some current solutions, and then present your thesis, your solution with those key policy phrases, okay? And then the outline or the roadmap to the rest of your presentation. And just go through the steps individually, spending about 30, 45 seconds on each step, all right? Make sure that you have a link that you submit. The presentations due the final day of classes, so make sure you have a link that you submit that I can copy and paste and put into YouTube. Make sure your video is set to public so I can view it. Once you have your grade, you can delete the video, get it off the internet or whatever. But this is really the only way that I can view your video online, okay? This is part of the SUNY requirement for communication studies, so doing a presentation fulfills that requirement. For Thursday, you're just going to be working on your final paper and working on your presentation. So there isn't anything due on Thursday. So this week is really a week to start thinking about your presentation, to start working on your final paper, start drafting, start outlining, getting your research done. Okay, I'm going to give you a lot of time to do that. All right. If you have any questions, make sure you send me a message. I'll talk to you soon.